Hello and welcome again to the Allegro customer webcast. My name is Klaus Degner and I will speak today about the following few items in our webcast today, which is about the new Allegro wiki. It's one of the topics today. And then I've selected 2 new pages in our wiki where I just would like to walk through and explain you how you can optimize the performance settings on the Allegro and how you can do Skype debugging. Skype debugging is a topic which came from many customers and they asked, oh, what can I do with encrypted protocols? So I will dig into this a little bit more. Coming to the big announcement, which is our wiki. As we grow as a company, we have seen that many requests we get from customers, from resellers are very similar. And we decided to start a technical documentation. The reason behind technical documentation is quite simple. You can read it and you can give it to customers. Customers can come back and we enhance a lot the cycle that we give our knowledge to the customers. Let me show you very simple the wiki, which is the URL allegropackets.com/wiki. It will be linked to the web page, I think today. And we will also publish it on other channels. And this wiki contains a lot of information you need first, for example, for installation, but also for specific setups. So giving an example is ERSpan. So how can you install an Allegro and forward packets with ERSpan from any router or switch to the Allegro? So if they're not physically close together. But also setting the virtual Allegro for VMware Workstation or ESXi. That's all included. And then we have a lot of configuration guides. We are writing them right now, like the first one. Others are already finished. And I will concentrate today, later on, the performance optimization guide. There are also other guides which I strongly recommend. So the virtual link group guide, if you have multiple links and you would monitor many links on one Allegro. Then, of course, we have our classic manual, which is for the web interface for all the modules and use cases. This is a section which we will expand a lot in the future. And I will speak today about the debugging Skype traffic use case. Then there are some other interesting pages. So one of our top questions is which modules work in which device, which disks are supported in which device. And so we added also information there. And also quite important is the REST API description, where, let me just take a look at it, where you can see how you can integrate the Allegro deeper into your environment. The complete wiki is English only, but the good thing here is that, of course, let me show you that, you can use pages like Google Translation to translate that page to any language. We double-checked it with German and it's quite okay. So it's readable, and by that method you can translate that easy.